Stephanie Boris, ABC News, Canberra.
From next year, all Victorian state schools will embrace phonics to teach reading. It follows decades of debate over how best to do it, and experts say the evidence looks promising. Erin Somerville reports.
It's a new approach to learning to read, and it's a real page-turner.
We're going to do our phonics now.
From next year, all state schools will be expected to teach a system called synthetic phonics to help students simplify and decode words. And it's already proving popular at some schools.
We do see that growth of our students really quickly.
Say lamb. Without l, what's left?
Phonics will be taught from prep through to grade 2 for at least 25 minutes per day and aims to prevent vulnerable children falling behind.
Say cat.
Strong focus of the system is on sounds and letters, where words are broken down to their individual components rather than learning through immersion.
When schools move away from that to a more structured, explicit approach, then we see a significant uplift in children's reading and spelling performance, and also in many cases in student wellbeing.
There is only one clear approach, and that is to put phonics at the heart of your reading program.
It comes after more than a quarter of Victoria's students failed to hit new NAPLAN proficiency standards for literacy last year.
It is simply unacceptable that it has taken a decade for the Labor government to introduce phonics, evidence-based learning and explicit instructions in our classrooms.
Some principals are worried the explicit model could hurt students' love of literature.
The emotions are there. People have some very, very strong belief around what they are doing is working, but this is trying to get a greater balance.
Parents over time are going to see that there's going to be less need for them to be paying for expensive intervention and tutoring services.
Teachers are hoping the change will spell out a brighter reading future. Erin Somerville,